It's coming right for us!
Yes, people, this is what I like to call a tornado. This over here across the street is what I like to call idiots and still in the pool. Yes.
What's up?
Hey, hold on. Does anybody have a key?
Yeah, watch it.
Well, I put the thing out.
Why does somebody just have a key?
This plane is also about 2 hours. Don't do that. But
There's the plane.
Look at that, dude. That's crazy.
Look at that.
I know.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's weird, dude.
I know. Look at that one over there with the sail on it.
I know it.
I mean, it could be too much.
Wow.
Okay, that is really messed up.
How fast that thing's. Oh,
Yeah,
yeah.
lightning come out, man.
Look at that. It's all like. Look how fast it's moving.
I don't see any trees, man. I want to let these people run.
That dude's taking off, dude.
Probably at their hotel.
That guy's flying, dude. Look at him.
About a 4.24.
He's flying, dude.
Go, dude, go! Or he just said he stole it.
Oh my gosh. Look, come here. Look how fast it's moving.
Everybody's running.
Oh my gosh.
Cloud, man.
Dude, that's a tornado.
Man, I swear it does look like it.
It's forming right on a motel.
And we're laughing.
Seriously, god dang it. What?
Hey, that seriously looks like a.
Tornado hit, and all I care about is my food. What does it look like in the back?
This is awesome, dude.
Man, that does seriously look like a tornado.
That looks like.
I've never seen a clouds move like that before. Look at that.
Look at this.
What?
Coming right here. Look at all the water. That's a knock on the ball. You know?
Wow.
Yeah, tornado watch or something.
Something about tornado watch.
Wow.
I know. That thing is moving.
On the front side, it's turning back. Just like that. When you go back on the front side of the room,
Tornado watch.
they just give it out for TV. Yeah, they give it out.
Well, please go hurry up and get over us before.
Yeah, because when you look at the front side, it's just turning back like that. Here, look at the tail light.
Now come on this side. Hurry, 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 hurry.
What? Tornado? Oh my gosh, you're kidding.
Yeah, look y'all.
Oh my God, it's in the water.
Oh my gosh.
Holy crap.
What?
A tornado. Boy, that's in the water.
It's coming up towards us, too. Oh my Lord, dude.
Okay, we have a tornado.
That's what that man said. Get inside.
You
tornado.
gotta film it, don't you?
Yeah, I do. You ain't kidding.
Oh my God.
Golly.
Where's our camera? You
We
better
have the
get
motherfucker at home.
Is it coming this way?
Yeah, it's coming this way.
You better get in.
I hope it goes out that way.
Yeah.
Me too.
That would be nice.
Oh shit. Not lightning. Am I riding your way?
No, you're right. That is crazy.
See, y'all would have missed it, wouldn't you?
Yes, we would.
I've never
Go
seen
on
this in my
out.
life.
Go on. Me neither.
We're
Come on
going to the
now.
bathroom.
Go on out.
Okay, and that's not far, even though I'm zooming in some.
Look at them people
That is-
standing down there, the idiot.
They are.
Where?
Down there.
Dang, look at how big that's getting.
It's coming right toward them. They just sit there. Look at that.
That almost looked like somebody flying.
It did, didn't it?
It did a little bit.
It did.
I don't think it was. Oh my gosh.
Shit, that bitch getting bigger.
Man, I've wanted to see a tornado like forever.
So have I, but not this close. Not coming toward me.
And we're still standing out here.
It's coming out. It's still
We're
coming.
still here.
What is
like
that?
the rest of these idiots.
There's that thing that's flying. It's like something. God. You might win this one.
Oh man, look at this.
That is crazy. Just please stay on the water.
Yeah.
Exactly. That's chairs.
I like to see. I like to watch it go
I
out.
don't know how wide it is. I wonder if it's even hit right.
I hope it don't come back this way. Is it coming closer?
Yes, it's
Yeah.
getting closer.
Are we still out here?
It's getting scary.
I don't know.
That bitch is.
It's gaining momentum.
Yeah, that works.
And these people
That
still
is
standing right
awesome.
down there too.
But it's right on the water. It stays there. Go on out. Go on out. Go on out.
Where's all that shit flying? Chairs? Huh?
Have a damn
Have you
thing
seen
outside.
this? Have you seen this?
Yeah, I wonder if
All
you
right,
can see
guys.
it.
Keep it out there. Keep it out there.
Look at that. That is awesome. That is
I
awesome.
hope it don't come toward us.
I hope it don't turn around.
I hope my tape.
Look up here,
I
guys.
hope my tape doesn't
See the
run
damn
out.
funnel up?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I hope my tape doesn't run out.
I hope it don't
We
either.
left ours at home.
Oh man, this is awesome.
Greg should be recording it too.
Can you make copies?
Okay,
Huh?
it's getting a little close now. We're just gonna be
good.
standing out here.
Good. Let it go out.
Should we?
Let it go out.
I'm getting a little
Chairs
worried.
and stuff.
You're going to see more than that if you stand here watching. Look what's happening down yonder.
Yeah.
Everything is
It's
disappearing.
coming like this way, like really fast. Look at
I
that.
want to see it. I'm trying to get out of his way.
Sorry, I guess I could.
Greg. Greg.
That is awesome. Look at that.
Let it go out to
Stay out
Oh
let it
my
go out to sea.
gosh.
Turn around.
Yeah, don't let it come toward here.
He's shifting.
That is crazy.
Get on with floats.
That's all the
Energy
That's
from Lazy
all
River.
Yeah, lazy river stuff.
God, I'm gonna believe it.
Golly, look at that thing. That is wild.
Now, we're getting a little bit close now.
Keep filming it.
Let you swim across that damn balcony. What the hell? Can you believe you're this close?
No, I can't.
I'm gonna turn this way.
Yeah, there's like debris and
Look at
stuff
this. Look at
flying.
this.
Open that door.
Yeah, let's.
That's the wind over there.
I know, but yeah, look at that damn tube going yonder.
There's tubes everywhere. That is crazy.
Man,
This
this
wind
is
is
a
starting-
once
oh
in
my
a
God.
lifetime.
Oh my
yeah,
God.
you ain't kidding.
Feel the wind
my
hitting this
gosh.
glass. Oh my God.
What did I tell you about not going to eat? Didn't I tell you wait a few more minutes?
That's what that was, a wind on that side coming right over top of us.
Oh man.
Just keep
There's a float.
I'm trying to see what happens. What's going to happen to that roll of chairs?
That's what scares the crap out of me, that light.
Film down here for a second.
No one of those lifeguards said
I think
the
it's
hell with
past
those
enough
chairs.
now.
Film down here for a second.
Okay.
I think it's past enough now. Look at the bird. He's flying backwards.
Going backwards.
Oh my God.
Alright. I think it's think it's
Be
safe.
careful.
Yeah, I think we'll be all right, man.
It suck us all out of here.
Yeah, after I told you, get your ass in here.
That was awesome.
Well,
I cannot believe.
It's an omen. Don't open it.
do what?
I said, omen. Leave it shut.
Oh, it's past
we
now,
good, go,
surely
man.
it's alright. I wish I could have got that bird trying to fly.
Money, look at this down. It's got it's past you now. You all right, man? Well, it's like a damn tunnel. Yeah. You'll never get to see that. Look at that. The rain is coming down. Look back here.
That thing, that is awesome. I wonder if it'll blow the beer down there way.
Hey, that's something. That is something. That is
Oh,
something.
look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Did you see how close that was?
I want to see the pier.
Look at
what it
that.
is.
Oh my gosh.
Look at the funnel now.
It's forward.
Oh, it's getting stronger, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. Look how wide it is now.
No. I just hope it don't.
It's going in. Hell, that thing looks like it's going in.
It does. I'm just glad it's past us. I hope it doesn't turn and come back.
I gotta see what's gonna happen to that pier.
Yeah, no kidding. I want to get down there. These clouds are still moving right here, like big time.
Man, it's gonna rain, man.
God.
It was
That was
awesome. I was
pretty
scared it was
weird.
going to come this way. I was
Yeah,